get these tests done. These are 6 tests. We're gonna do it through the phone. So, first test is my window won't close. Hmm. Let's do it. I'm also gonna see over here live how it pops up there and populates. So we'll start the request. My window, not don't, won't close. Boom. What is it saying? So you see it populated over here, a card. It already classified it. Thanks for letting us know your window won't close. Could you please tell us if the window is stuck partway open or is it closed but does not latch shut? Okay, so that's one test. So if you go inside the actual card, you can see that this is the text. I'm going to make this a tiny bit smaller so it's a little better aligned side by side, these two. And the classification is doors, windows, locks, window repair, and it's a routine. And the scenario is right here where I mapped it to. And the vendor is suggestion is a handyman in general. That's before I've answered this question. As of now, I'm going to do a different test. So the next text is going to be the same thing, but with a picture. I could, what I could do is I could have it done. I could have it done in the same old chat, just add the picture, but as of right now, I don't have that set up. So, anyways, let's go picture. My window won't close. It has a picture. It's reviewing it. It generated a card and a number. It's going through everything. It has been reviewed and it's typing. We're looking up the right vendor for this request and we'll connect them shortly because I didn't set it up to auto. So let's go in here, see what's going on. So you can see that the latch is not latching on. So they already classified it good. Scenario is good. Sign is handyman. That's already ready, set, go. This is not auto dispatch. That means you'll have to assign manually. But auto dispatch could be set up if this is turned on and everything will flow. But right now it did send out an email to the vendor and as you can see a message was sent out as part of the flow that this vendor will be reaching out to you and that kind of stuff. Let's go to test 3. I don't get test 3, but we'll do it anyhow. So test 3 is there's a leak. Just to see what happens, let me set this right here. Where am I? Mhm. There is a leak. Expect active current versus old past. That is this test. Is the water currently leaking or is the moisture or staining from a past leak? So first, it already classified it, which is cool. And and it's asking the follow-up questions. Let's see the classification and do emergency water leak, flooding, plumbing. Scenario: active leak, water intrusion, and vendor is plumber, roofer, restoration vendor. It's not assigned because it doesn't know what it actually is. So let's go back to the phone and we'll answer this question. Let's do under my sink. Under my sink. So now it's connecting to a vendor. This should update live. I'll just go like this and you'll see it's already updated. You know, you see over here it says 429, 429, 429, 429, but it's already here. And again, it's on auto. It's not on auto, it's a manual, so I'm just going to leave it like that. The next test is water is actually leaking under my sink, but I combine that with this test. So I'll just do test number 5, which is, I told you these were more advanced tests, meaning I told this was like I can put a picture of a rat dropping and it will continue, which I could, but I don't know why it's giving me these QA. At this point, I was ready to show that the real stuff. So, anyways, I saw a mouse in my kitchen. It's basically looking on the right the request, classified it as pest control rodent urgent, pest control rodent issue, and pest protection will be assigned on its auto or when you manually assign. This is not going through the whole process where once assigned what happens next in all these different scenarios. But like I said, but we just do this test. We'll do this one. We got one more, and we'll do the one more new, little big one. My appliance is not working. Let's see what it got from. Let's see what it got from. What are you gonna ask? What you could classify it? It got classified, which is wrong. It does not know what it is. Because it said, could you please specify which appliance is not working? It is possible to write a photo of the model and serial number of the label. So this is classified as a washer, but it's not. Appliance plumber actively, so I don't know what's going on there. So I'm gonna say fridge. My fridge isn't cooling. Sent. That's gonna change the whole thing. We're looking at the right vendor for the request and we'll connect them shortly. We'll get another message once they are assigned. Did this change? Because it should not let it go through the gateway at all. Appliance washer dryer. See, no, that is not good. Just to show you a little bit behind the background of all these requests. This is my appliance is not working. These are all more information needed. Systems and resident. It kind of had a nice, confident answer that this is a washer. I'm not sure why. It's definitely somewhere here. You know, where it said it goes bottom up. More information needed. That's what it said. More information needed. Status no milestone no classification and unlocked false workflow. I don't know why it classified it. That's my question. That is my question. Anyways, I have all the questions answered here just to show you. This didn't have any pictures to analyze. However, as you know, the ones, see if this works, pictures do get analyzed.